Do it again. Baby loves quinoa.
Maybe we could offer this to the quinoa company.
In case you don't know our baby, those are happy sounds. It might be hard to tell those are happy, but those are happy.
And she hasn't even tasted it yet. The power of marketing packaging.
Okay, that's probably messed up doing that way, but...